For centuries, eggs have been a staple in diets across cultures, and for good reason. These humble oval powerhouses pack an impressive nutritional punch that can significantly impact our health when consumed regularly. Let's crack open the fascinating world of daily egg consumption and explore its remarkable benefits. Nutritional powerhouse in a shell. What makes eggs truly exceptional is their comprehensive nutritional profile. A single large egg contains about 70 calories while providing 6 grams of high-quality protein, including all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies can't produce on their own. Beyond protein, eggs are rich in vital nutrients such as choline, which supports brain health and development, and lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 antioxidants crucial for eye health. Boosting brain function. The choline content in eggs deserves special attention. This essential nutrient, which many people don't get enough of, plays a vital role in creating memory stem cells and helps maintain healthy brain function. Regular egg consumption can help meet up to 35% of your daily choline needs, potentially improving memory and cognitive performance. Weight management success. Despite their small size, eggs pack a powerful punch in the satiety department. The high-quality protein content helps control appetite by reducing hunger hormones and increasing feelings of fullness. Studies have shown that people who eat eggs for breakfast tend to consume fewer calories throughout the day, making them an excellent choice for those managing their weight. Muscle development and recovery. Athletes and fitness enthusiasts have long recognized eggs as a superior protein source. The complete amino acid profile makes them ideal for muscle repair and growth. Whether you're an active athlete or simply maintaining an exercise routine, the protein in eggs helps repair tissue damage and supports muscle development. Heart health reconsidered. For years, eggs were demonized due to their cholesterol content. However, recent research has largely debunked these concerns. While eggs do contain cholesterol, they don't significantly impact blood cholesterol levels in most people. In fact, eggs contain heart-healthy nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids and B vitamins that may help reduce heart disease risk when part of a balanced diet. Eye health protection. The antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin found in egg yolks are particularly beneficial for eye health. These compounds help protect against age-related eye conditions like cataracts and macular degeneration. Regular consumption of eggs can increase blood levels of these protective antioxidants, potentially reducing the risk of vision problems as we age. Pregnancy and early development. Eggs are particularly valuable during pregnancy and early childhood development. The choline content is crucial for fetal brain development, while the high-quality protein supports healthy growth. Additionally, eggs contain folate, which helps prevent birth defects, making them an excellent choice for expecting mothers. Skin and hair benefits. The protein and biotin content in eggs contributes to healthy skin, hair, and nails. Biotin, particularly abundant in egg yolks, is essential for keratin production, the protein that forms the basis of these tissues. Regular egg consumption may help maintain healthy, glowing skin and strong hair. Practical benefits beyond nutrition. Beyond their nutritional benefits, eggs are incredibly versatile and economical. They're easy to prepare, have a long shelf life, and can be incorporated into countless dishes. From simple scrambled eggs to complex baking applications, their culinary versatility makes them an invaluable kitchen staple. Sustainable protein source. In an era of increasing environmental consciousness, eggs stand out as a relatively sustainable protein source compared to many animal products. They have a lower carbon footprint than most meat products and require less water and land to produce, making them an environmentally responsible choice for protein. Tips for maximum benefits. To maximize the benefits of daily egg consumption, consider these tips. Choose high-quality eggs from well-raised chickens when possible. Don't discard the yolks, as they contain many of the most beneficial nutrients. Cook eggs properly to maintain their nutritional value. Incorporate eggs into various meals throughout the day. Combine eggs with vegetables and whole grains for balanced nutrition. The bottom line. The impact of eating eggs daily extends far beyond basic nutrition. From supporting brain health and muscle development to protecting vision and promoting sustainable protein consumption, eggs offer a remarkable range of benefits. While individual dietary needs vary, incorporating eggs into your daily diet can be a simple yet powerful way to enhance your overall health and well-being. Remember that while eggs are incredibly nutritious, they should be part of a varied, balanced diet. As with any dietary change, those with specific health conditions should consult their healthcare provider about appropriate egg consumption for their individual needs. For most people, however, the daily inclusion of eggs can be a valuable addition to a healthy lifestyle, providing a wealth of nutrients in a convenient, delicious package. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful tips.